well done. No. You know, say anytime when you see me, I talk my mind. I go start with all of you in a way they front. So, for the next song, what I go do, if you not stand up, you will not die this night. Now, quarry. Because they call it a gospel program. The main reason why they not put table for this program is because they want everybody to jump. Nobody get money pass here. If I sing again, but the person will pay me if he not stand up. Oh my God. Okay, you're meeting me for the first time. My name is Akpororo. They come with too much swagger and too much anointing. Why everybody call me Roro King? Hello. I say package yourself. What you will go do now? The way they shout and just be like saying that today you believe. You not believe before. People go see me and say, wait, now the Akpororo, what would they see for TV? Now me. Poverty not they tire you. Level don't change. What happen? We don't get money now. Hello. Nobody is ugly. We are just broke. God gets spare parts for everybody. Brother, hello. Hey, vulcanizer. At the crack joke, not be now you go to share drink. You wear red and red, like all this bony. But normally, now so your head be normally. You don't see your head from up. I swear that if you see your head from up, you go rent head. So I be like AC waste boy. Since that they pet you, you go say you not like petting. Everybody should respect yourself. I'm here to talk. Respect yourself. Don't move around. You move around. See this one. See this one. You the video. See how you the video person. You forget your own career. Hey, wait. My name is Akpororo. Now I need to shut up for now. Hear me now. That's so it be. Gospel program. See him. You could be like saying now unbelievers and they get groove pass. See gospel program. See him. See energy. From the starting to the. Why they do like this? Now so it's all to be. Now so it's all to be. Now force them. Oh, if they're not sit down, leave them. Okay, now the first way they see comedian they perform, people they stand. Have you? Don't worry. I get what you get. I need to know now. Me no blessing. I me talk out. No use me play. If I me slap you, you go not say police na your friend. I go one event. I go at the yab one man. I don't know say na army or guy. You know so this army, all these 2-star general, don't they get big body? If like say the more they keep people, the more their flesh is small. At the yabam, I don't know to say if the man laugh, now people go laugh. Me mumu. If I yaba see your head, they be like stove. The man go do. All the rest go laugh. They go look in face first before they laugh. Me mumu, and they continue. You go like yeah. My brother, as I finish, and they go outside from darkness and you're here. I turn, I just see hand come out from the darkness. They use touch. Point the hand. The hand got to like this. I know they see face. I want to run. I say, my brother, if you run, now tata. And I know what it tata mean. Now, I don't die with that. Now, so they walk out, they enter darkness. As they go, they tell who they follow me, say, they call my mama. Now, so best they die, you now enter darkness. Now, one say, oh, now you be the comedian inside of it. Now we be the comedian outside. So now God you they curse any at that time. I said I don't say that now God. I said they laugh, they enjoy. They say, oh, they enjoy. You know, yeah, that's how you say you go far. They say enter this motto. I say, where will they go? Say, will they go Sokoto? You go far. That one pass. Where they beg, say, make her not go far. Make her just the middle. Now the boys, they say, you see that blocks where they block where they build, that's where they arrange. That's when I go, they can make her change from where they put her, make her put her from another place. Because you have the carry block, they cry. Just what talk. She been a 4 times her course, and why they not say make her carry 4 block? Even though they want to do 4 times 4, not be this block with this. This will pass the answer. As I they carry, not the ogre, they pass. Now you see me. It's Akpororo, what are you doing? I say, sir. Now your boy, so. That is make a carry block. The ogre say, now don't look there. Are you guys stupid? Don't you know Akpororo? I'm his fan. But this with me. I won't laugh, but hold on. Why will you ask him to carry block? Why? Are you guys mad? 200 blocks where they say carry. I don't carry 198. He remained 2 make a jog go jump. I don't guys say come on frog jump. Now all of them do frog jump. Now the guy look me. Akpororo, sorry, don't mind them. Return the block. As you can leave that two remain 2. My dear lady. You don't tell where somebody don't wash me. Thank God you come the time they talk. It's good. My mom not a huge Chioma just play. She loved Chioma just reach herself. The cap which they wear. My mom they sew. I know worry women they go hard join. My mama cap now 3 of her home where she wear now. Cap big. Women at the time my mom say, which can this cap too big? Don't be so Chioma just they do. You say, what you call it? Down at Chioma just be Chioma. Now where will they go and not a rain start to the fall? As it rain the fall, now my mama hold me and not come inside. Now cap and a umbrella, they do too. Yes. I'm a comedian. I make people laugh for a living. And you need to know I don't write. I just talk. Why? Because I got Holy Ghost. Spirit filled. I know the fear. I don't talk many years ago, I'll talk again. This industry, they wash. We know how to hold God for work, we hold them. Now here we go there. Anybody who want to come, may they come. We go there. We're not going to be first, we're not going to be last. That means, what's there? They collect or they collect. We're not going to. That's what the matter be. Now back to comedy. Now my me over myself, I know they understand myself again. Comedy don't turn me to another thing. You know, say students them they get one habit. If they buy milk, like if you go student hostel, enter their room. You go see milk. The pangolo. Like milk now, this pig milk. You go see Milo. You go see Bonvita. You go see sugar. Open the rubber. You see salt. Gary. Pepper. One guy go visit one of you understand? He visit, that one just come from house. Money they hand, he just buy the thing. Oh yeah, they give her make a drink finish. Another day cock up. He knows that the things not finished. And students, they not they throw away the rubber. The pangolo, they must use them. The guy just enter. The guy just say, I want drink tea. They all take light. The guy will get room, God tell us, my brother, wait, make them bring light. Or make our own something so that if you collect the ticket, you say, no. Not be that the same place. I know we are there now. For darkness, only one do like this. Then walk out go the place. And you know, say, God give us one gift. If you they eat, they take light. Nothing concern you, your hand, nothing meets your mouth. Now what gift will God give us with that? The guy they said darkness. Only one, he woke up. Carry spoon, open the pangolo for darkness. That's why they pack fear for a mind. In the pack make. In another say now pepper. He open another one, He dey buy swire. For a mind now, Milo. He no say na salt. He open another fear. He dey buy war. For a mind, he dey put better taste joy, sugar. He no say they put atarodo. He stretch hand. He carry one rubber. For a mind na water. He no say na kerosene. He pour and put inside darkness. The guy miss some drink as he drink up the thing burn and I shout Jesus from heaven. God answer, my son, speak. I can hear you. Tell me what he say to you. Last joke. I will come out. If you be armed robber here, listen. This joke go favor you. Not be every compound where you see say the fence where get big gate. Not be all of them. Not that they rob. You get one guy, he always pass one gate. The gate fine. Say no. One day we must rob this house. We must rob him. Another day go pass, we must rob him. The third day job, I say no. Not today we go rob him. For then I call the friends. Men I come. Other one say we gone. Other work we won't go do. He say no worry. This one sure. Come on, rob this house. They can't come. They find ladder to climb fence. They not see. They don't know say house where they won't go rob. You know, say rich men sometimes they'll just wake up. They'll just say they want to do something wild. The man get 4 dogs. He just wake up one day. He said to buy lion, they hungry. He just go buy 2 lions, go join the 4 dogs. As the 2 lions, they enter the compound. The day that they enter, they share one dog shop. He got to make 2 lions, 2 dogs. Or down, they find ladder for her side. They don't know say that dog mixed with lion. Now they for the compound. They find ladder, they not see. Now one come for later back. Same they use it back. They call climb back. One go climb back. The other one climb. The 4th they call there for the fence. You know some robber, they don't trust each other. They say everybody must enter at the same time. They go try carry the last guy, will be the 5th guy. Their hand not reach to carry him. That one call the complaint. So I go enter now. And I'll call thief now. Go give me small money. They say no worry. We go bring better one. Go give you. I wish that one no say my mama prayer. Now they work for them. Now make their hand not reach to carry them. If they complain. Now the 4 way they up, they say we'll go count the same time. And we'll go jump the same time. Now they count 1, 2, 3. They jump. You know, normal. As they jump, bah! They face the wall. As they turn, bah! The oga of the umbrella just see something where head be like dining table. Where they like this, he call the shift. They go where dog day. The one where there for dogs, I use elbow shift and back. Say my brother, go back. Because if we thief money now you be oga, now you go collect IS. So go face your warrant. They call it the first time for my life. Who they do that on wait now? Now my last joke. We will fight. Oh. Okay, now my friend they come observe. When I respect him, I say, now my last joke. And I know say if I stop, I'll call start again. Where are they? First time for my life. I don't know say I'm robber, they get respect. First time for my life, I just hear I'm robber shout. Una good evening, no. I beg, who the house? Nobody answer. I'm robber shout again. Una good evening, no. I beg, who the house? Now security answer from security room. Good evening, no. Nobody there. Hand robber say, but they hear person voice. That one say, yes, you they hear person voice, but you not go figure help you. So you imagine say you not hear voice. Hand robber say, I bet not first. So who be these people wait there for front here? That one say they be my colleagues. Now they take over for night. My whole job, they work from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Those people wait see for outside, they work from 8 p.m. to the next morning 8 a.m. Now the armed robber shout say, oh yeah, I beg, you fit go put them for cage. Now then another one answer, they say, I beg, if you look my door from outside, they lock them with padlock. Now my oga, they lock me anytime we lose them. They go lock me, then go come out. Now that one say, so where your oga now? He said, don't go club. Now I say, so when you go come back from the club? He said, oh, sure, they ask me question. He don't go club, so that tomorrow morning I get house. Now there, the oga, the robber got he didn't look the lie on them. He could say, but una no put somebody for her side to tell us na zoo or beware of lion now. I know just una guys kind dangerous thing here. Now just let us jump. They go. One of the armed robbers wait near now. Now just touch your Oga. I be tell you before. You for sure allow me go the Bible study one more go. I tell you I will go Bible study this evening. Say for corrupt. First time where I go yam robber to ask me say I bet not first bros. You get phone. That one say yes. I bet you get credit. I say yes. Say bros. Now we. I beg you. You fear boss call police. Tell police I'm robber dead in the house and make they go carry us. The police go carry me. I not fit die by lion. Now whether they